Caitlin Clark and Jacy Sheldon's rivalry started in the Big Ten, where Clark often got the better of Sheldon in their Iowa versus Ohio State matchups. The tension boiled over in the WNBA during a game between the Indiana Fever and Connecticut Sun. After Sheldon poked Clark in the eye, Clark shoved her back, sparking a series of fouls and escalating the heat between them. In their latest matchup, Clark took control. With the game on the line, she delivered a clutch shot, getting one over on Sheldon and proving once again she wouldn't back down from a challenge. Clark had the final word in their ongoing rivalry,